Verizon Wireless presents the INDOMINUS Rex.
Gumball's called Zach now. So, yeah, good point.
Hey, coach! Great game last night!
You're not in the team, Watterson.
Go!
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system. At the tone, please record your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options.
Hey Mary, it's me, Ben. I just arrived on the island. Man, it is beautiful here. Thank you for the early Christmas gift. I will say though, it's not the same without you here. But don't worry, I won't do anything fun until you get here. Anyways, I guess you're busy right now, so I'll call you back later. I guess I got a little sick on the boat ride over, so I'm gonna be hanging around the hotel for a couple hours. Anyways, talk to you later.
We got a message. Who from? I don't know. It's blocked.
Dear Gumball and Darwin,
What's with the voice?
It says read in a deep, scary voice at the top.
you have wrong.
Please pay attention to this important announcement. At 11:25 a.m., ACU reported that an asset had escaped its enclosure and is roaming free on the island. The asset containment unit has been put on high alert and has sent a team into the wilderness of the island to capture it. The park has not been closed as of this time, as the asset is not currently near populated areas of the island. While it is possible that certain attractions and rides may close if it draws nearer, our professional capture team should be able to handle this escape quickly and quietly. Thank you for your cooperation, and enjoy your day here at Jurassic World.
Wow! That was awkward. Okay, so, we're gonna go now, but you should stay here. Okay, bye!
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system. At the tone, please record your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options.
Hey Mary, it's me, Ben again. Looks like things have suddenly turned to the worst here, and I'm not talking about my seasickness. One of their dinosaurs escaped. Must not be a very big deal though. They haven't closed the park, so they must not be worried about it. Anyways, I can't believe I have to wait one whole day just to see your face again. Looks like I caught you at a bad time again, so I guess I'll call back later. Bye-bye.
Such good sunlight here. My petunias!
What up, Brain?
Please pay attention to this important announcement. At 12:11 p.m., ACU reported that they were unsuccessful in capturing the asset. The asset has roamed closer to populated areas of the park and might draw even nearer. The park has not closed, but due to the potential danger involving the asset, the following shows and attractions have been closed. Gondola Lift, Gyrosphere Adventure, Triceratops Territory Observation Deck, Gallimimus Valley, the Aviary, and Cretaceous Cruise. We highly recommend staying near the Jurassic World Lagoon in case the situation worsens. Thank you for your cooperation, and enjoy your stay here at Jurassic World.
You may have a few rough edges, but you'll always be home.
Please alert your head counselor about this message immediately. At 12:39 p.m., an asset that had previously escaped from its enclosure was spotted heading southeast towards the Camp Cretaceous housing towers. Camp counselors, please block all doors and windows, as it is not safe to go outside. Camp Cretaceous offers many enriching indoor activities.
Welcome. Up close and personal with 4 Dinosauruses.
Kylosaurus. We shouldn't be here. And there's 5 dinosaurs.
Aren't you supposed to be a genius or something? Look. 1, 2, 3, 4.
5.
Please pay attention to this important announcement. The asset has continued to roam closer to populated sections of the island. Due to its enclosing proximity, all rides and attractions have now been closed. Please make your way back to the Jurassic World Lagoon area or the resort and wait for further updates. The park has not issued an evacuation at this time, but evacuation vessels are being deployed in preparation of a possible evacuation. Thank you for your cooperation.
Come on, we gotta get out and push. Come on, Rigby!
No, I'm not going out there!
Fine. Pops and I'll push you all the way back home then.
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system. At the tone, please record your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options.
Hey Mary, it's me, Ben again. Look, things are starting to get really concerning here. They haven't been able to capture their dinosaur, they've closed down all of the attractions in the park, and they're saying they're possibly going to evacuate the island. It's a good thing I decided to hang around the hotel all day. Listen, I have no idea how things are going to play out, but I'll keep you updated the best I can. Anyways, call me when you get a chance. Bye.
Please pay attention to this important announcement. Due to a containment anomaly, all guests must take shelter immediately. Multiple of our aerial assets have escaped their captivity and are attacking populated areas of the park. These animals are highly dangerous, as they are carnivorous and have the strength to pick up a human being. Asset Containment Unit has deployed many squadrons to recapture the escaped assets. Until the all-clear is given, we recommend for your safety to remain indoors. Please pay attention to this important announcement. At 5:43 p.m., an official evacuation of the park was announced. All guests and staff members must make their way to the South Dock through the monorail system. The final ferry leaves at 6:30 a.m. While evacuating, we recommend that you do the following. Travel in groups with other tourists. Only take essential items to speed up the evacuation process. Make little to no noise so not to attract the attention of escaped assets. Do not shine any artificial lights. While most of our aerial assets have been tranquilized, one highly dangerous asset is still roaming free. This creature is 20 feet tall, carnivorous, agile, has advanced camouflage abilities, has good eyesight, and is extremely aggressive. If you see it, back away slowly until you are out of its sight. Then, take shelter inside an indoor structure. Again, the final evacuation ferry leaves at 6:30 a.m. If you have not reached the South Dock by this time, you will be left behind. Please remain calm and quiet during the evacuation process.
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system. At the tone, please record your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options.
Hey Mary, things have not gotten better here. A bunch of their other dinosaurs escaped. It was a real hellscape on Main Street. Listen, I'm on a monorail that's heading to the South Dock. That's where the evacuation ferries are. I'm really sorry that this didn't work out. I should probably be home by... Wait, what was that?
Please pay attention to this important announcement. If you are watching this, it means that you are still on the island of Isla Nublar and was left behind by evacuation efforts. Please follow these instructions. There is an emergency beacon hidden within a prop palm tree on Jurassic World Main Street. Please use this beacon to contact Jurassic World staff or nearby Costa Rican authorities. This is the only way we will know if you were left behind. Please travel carefully and quietly, as while the dangerous asset that caused this disaster is reported to be dead, other highly dangerous animals are also roaming free on the island. Please remain patient and calm until help arrives. May God watch over you all.
Your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options.
Mary, I didn't make it in time. I'm still on this island. I'm still alive. Barely, but I'm still alive. I'm gonna find my way back to you, no matter how long it takes, no matter what it takes. I will find my way back to you. Don't give up on me. I love you.